Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to do mobile deposit on PNC Bank. The first thing I want you to do is sign in to your PNC Bank with your user ID and password, and go ahead and once you're signed in, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and then I want you to click here on a deposit. It'll actually prompt you to accept terms and conditions if you're doing this for the first time. So accept the terms, click on agree right here. Now we need to select an account to deposit money to. Okay, click on this drop down and choose your account. So we'll choose this one, virtual wallet spend. Choose this one, and then it will ask you to access the camera. Click on OK, and just follow the conditions right here. Make sure you adhere to these guidelines. Click on continue, take your photo, and then you just need to confirm the deposit, the amount. Okay, this one will just go to standard funds. Click on confirm, and as you can see, the deposit has been submitted. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.